Welcome back. You're still watching this very special episode where we are in a conversation with Abhishek Lodha. There's been a split in the group as well. There's a little lack of clarity on who gets what and who manages which projects. So what are the projects that you would manage now, and what about Abhinandan? What does he manage at this point in time, post the split?
There is no split in the family. There is a business reorganization where we have two separate businesses. There's nothing which changes in relation to the real estate business.
Okay, alright. So you will be managing the real estate business?
I wouldn't want to comment further on something which is already in the public domain.
Alright, fair enough. So tell us a little bit about the timelines. I mean, the Trump Tower looks like it's going at a pretty good pace, and you have the entire park project here as well. By when do you expect the park project to get completed, and what about the Trump Tower itself?
The Trump Tower clearly is one of India's most prestigious developments. We are currently doing about 8 to 10 floors every quarter, and the delivery is scheduled in 2018.
Okay, and that's for the Trump Tower. What about your other projects? When do you? What does the launch pipeline look like? What can we expect from the group itself?
Every year, this FY, we're delivering about 6,000 units. We are much more concerned about delivering units than launching more. So yes. 6,000 units by far, is the largest number of homes that I think any company in India has ever delivered. We did 5,500 last year. And that's what sort of really our core focus is. Launches will of course keep happening. We have, lots of developments and new launches. We'll probably do about 5 odd million square feet of new launches in the next FY. But really, we have a good mix of new launches, under construction projects which are approaching delivery. So I think we as a company are at a stage where we are able to service every need of a customer. Somebody who wants to buy for something to move in 3 months, somebody who wants to buy something to move in after 3 years, or someone who wants to buy a home for 100 crores, someone who wants to buy a home for 40 lakhs. Lodha serves everything.
So, a lot of your peers have moved out to other cities as well. Godrej has gone big in Pune. You have, I think, one project that you currently are undergoing in Pune, but would you be looking to spread out into other cities as well? And if yes, which ones would be the most lucrative opportunity?
Lodha's focus is geographically concentrated. So we're focusing on Mumbai, and Pune by extension being fairly close to Mumbai is an area of interest for us. However, we do not have plans for any significant geographic expansion beyond Mumbai and Pune over the next couple of years. We may look at Bangalore maybe about 3 years down the line, but we have a very strong focus on quality. We like to ensure that when our brand is put onto any project, because that's also our family name, everything is done just right, and hence we don't take any chances. We don't want to go in 20 cities and then not be able to do what customers expect of us. So
if you want to give us, some kind of a target, I understand that your revenues currently stand at about 6,500 crores for the year. What is the expectation as we get into the next couple of years? Where can we see Lodha's revenues? Because you're already the biggest company by sales, the biggest by land bank. What's the expectation?
Our 5-year plan is to take our revenues to 20,000 crores, which would come from a combination, of course, of doing what we are doing currently and doing that more and better, but also having an additional focus, like I said, on Pune, as well as on doing more office space development. We think that the office space market is a very interesting market, and we would like to further explore that. So on a combination of this, from a current new sales of about 8,000 crores in FY16, we expect to be at sales of about 20,000 crores by FY 2021.
Oh, that is a pretty impressive pipeline. So you want to tell me when you're going to list again?
The answer won't change in a few minutes.
I'm trying my luck several times, but 20,000 crores is an impressive expectation. In terms of geographies, you spoke about Mumbai, Pune, etc. What about London? How is that market currently doing? How are the projects shaping up, and what's the expectation there?
The London business is separate from our India business, and as a real estate business, we're very much focused on India and doing things over here. We have 2 projects in London which are run separately, and they're doing quite well. But our focus of our business in India is, of course, on expanding, growing, and developing our India business.
All right, those were some hard-hitting questions, but we have some more lined up. So do stay tuned in. We'll take a short break and come back.